Bend your neck forwards and then slowly upwards as one gentle movement. Repeat 10 times. Slowly rotate your neck left and right as one gentle movement. Repeat 10 times. Sitting, place your hand on the front of the opposite shoulder. Move your shoulder gently back into the shoulder socket, a small movement. Hold 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. This is the same exercise viewed from the front. Ensure your arm remains in the sling. Move your shoulders back together and straighten your upper body, rising from the chest. Repeat 10 times. This is the same exercise viewed from the front. Standing, grasp the wrist of your operated arm. Bend and straighten your elbow with assistance from your non-operated arm. Repeat 10 times. Stand with your elbow bent and palm turned down. Turn your palm up and down, rotating your forearm. Repeat 10 times. With your forearm supported on a table, bend and straighten your wrist, keeping your fingers straight throughout the exercise. Repeat 10 times. Make a fist. Repeat 10 times.